Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon right here. Let's find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down and let's choose the language and input. It's located under personal tab. Tap language on the top of the screen. Here we've got the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me choose the Espanol. For example, let me just show you how to switch into Spanish. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. Now if you would like to go back to previous version, just tab Ajustes. Let's find and select Idioma, Introducción de texto. Tap Idioma one more time and from the following list let me choose English. As you can see right now, everything is in English. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.